20 household items names in English. Tablecloth. Tablecloth. A cloth used to cover a table. Example, she spreads the tablecloth before dinner. Chair cushion. Chair cushion. A soft pad used on a chair for comfort. Example, he sits on a chair cushion. Doormat. Doormat. A mat placed at the door to clean shoes. Example, she wipes her shoes on the doormat. Rug. Rug. A small carpet placed on the floor. Example, the rug is under the coffee table. Bedsheet. Bedsheet. A cloth spread over the bed. Example, she changes the bedsheet every week. Wardrobe. Wardrobe. A tall cupboard for keeping clothes. Example, he hangs his clothes in the wardrobe. Cushion. Cushion. A soft pillow used on sofas or chairs. Example, she puts cushions on the sofa. Calendar. Calendar. A chart that shows the days and months. Example, he checks the calendar for holidays. Picture frame. Picture frame. A frame that holds a photo. Example, she puts a picture frame on the wall. Vase. Vase. A container used to hold flowers. Example, she places roses in the vase. Laundry basket. Laundry basket. A container for dirty clothes. Example, he puts his clothes in the laundry basket. Ironing board. Ironing board. A board used for ironing clothes. Example, she sets the shirt on the ironing board. Remote control. Remote control. A device used to control a TV or fan. Example, he changes the channel with the remote control. Plug. Plug. A device used to connect electric items to power. Example, she puts the plug into the socket. Extension cord. Extension cord. A long wire with extra sockets for power. Example, he connects the fan to the extension cord. Candle. Candle. A stick of wax that gives light when burning. Example, she lights a candle during a power cut. Photo album. Photo album. A book used to keep photographs. Example, they look at old pictures in the photo album. Toolbox. Toolbox. A box for keeping tools. Example, he keeps the hammer in the toolbox. Key holder. Key holder. A small hanger for keeping keys. Example, she hangs her house keys on the key holder. Alarm clock. Alarm clock. A clock that rings to wake you up. Example, his alarm clock rings at 6 a.m. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more English lessons. Check out our other videos to learn more words. See you in the next lesson.